4 things you need for your Facebook monetization setup. 4 documents that you need to set up your monetization on Facebook. Alright, 3 people complained to me last week that they lost their Facebook monetization setup, all because they make some necessary mistakes, which I will not want it to happen to you. In this video, I'm going to be telling you the 4 things you need to keep for your Facebook monetization setup so that you will not make any mistake that will cause you your monetization to disappear. Anything that will affect your Facebook account, because it is not easy for you to grow your Facebook page to monetization. So watch this video to the end and listen. Before we start, do wait to subscribe to this channel. Oh yeah, subscribe now. I no go beg you, no go take anything from you. Number 1, your tax identification number. Your tax ID. This is very, very important. You cannot earn on Facebook without your tax ID. Yes, Facebook will need it. And this is how you can get it. You can go to any post office in your city and request for your tax ID. You spend no less than 3,000 or 4,000, if I'm not mistaken. Depends on where you are living in your city. You can go there and request for your tax ID. They will give it to you. Alright? That's number 1. Number 2, your bank SWIFT code. TIN. Your bank TIN code. This is very, very important. You cannot earn on Facebook without this code. Without giving them, providing your bank SWIFT code to them. You cannot earn on Facebook. So, note this. And this is how you can get it. You can go to your bank, any bank that you are using, that bank that you are using to get paid on Facebook, that particular bank, go to their branch, any of their branch, and request for their TIN code, SWIFT code. They will give it to you. Or you can easily browse it on Google. Type the name of your bank and request for their SWIFT code. They will give it to you. But I will advise you go to your bank directly and get it. That's number 2. Number 3, your account details. Now this one is very, very important, because people are making a lot of people have lost their monetization because of this simple mistake of account details. Because once you see that your monetization set up, you will just rush and go and enter wrong details, and it will cause you your monetization setup to disappear. Now listen carefully for this bank details, because it is very, very important. The name on your account details should correspond with your page details. Listen, I'm not saying this you should go and change your Facebook page name or your account name for those of you that are using nicknames. Before you click on that, once you click on that setup, before you click on next, you see where you can edit your details. Make sure you go to your bank, arrange all your documents so that you edit your details from there. All those details on your account statement and tax ID, enter them there. Make sure that it is corresponding, because without this, they will not approve it. Once it's showing red, until your monetization don't go, your sweat don't go, and you can't recover it. So you need to be very, very careful. And a lot of you are using Nigerian Naira account for monetization setup. I'm laughing. Number 4 is your postal code. You cannot earn money on your Facebook without your postal code. Take note of this. So go to online and browse of your state correct postal code. Any state that you are, that is on your Facebook. Yes, use that one. Browse for their postal code, correct one, and enter. So that's the 4 things you need for your Facebook monetization setup. Alright, 1, remember, number 1, your tax ID. Number 2, your TIN. Number 3, your correct and corresponding account details. Number 4, your postal code. Take note of this. And even if you never monetize on Facebook, go and get these documents ready, because it can happen anytime. Facebook are very, very sensitive. They don't waste time. Them too, they need this money. So if I'm giving you opportunity and you don't want to take advantage of it, they will take it back. They will gladly take it back. So alright guys, that's all for today. Right, if you want to know more about Facebook or TikTok monetization, do wait to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that you can be getting notified whenever I'm posting video. So if this is your first time coming across my video on YouTube, my name is CBV only, also known as Vibe with CBV. Alright, do wait to subscribe. give me a thumbs up, leave your comment. If you want to ask for any question, you are free to use the comment section and ask me for anything. I'm available to reply you or to make a video for you to enlighten you on anything about content monetization on any platform. I'm here for you. Just use the comment section and ask me for anything. I'm here to attend to you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.